Yeah, they are. In fact, I've witnessed scooter accidents coming down this because tourists have no idea the grade on this. And then you've got like the piano player over here. There's like all kinds of buses. Yes, which I love. Yes.
It seems like I would maybe have 2 feet on each side. I would just make the sidewalks equal. And then with the rest of the space, I'll be like and then if there was enough space for another. That's how I would do it. I mean, you guys do whatever you want. No, I'm following.
I would do no buffer between the bike and the cars, and instead I would make the bike lane raised. Like, not like make it so there's the sidewalk level, then the bike level like halfway in between there, and the cars, and then you don't have to use any space for additional buffer. This is going to be okay with you.
So you only have to use
So it's not stoplight or is it the touch line
like the neighborhood, right? So you couldn't stop the cars, and what would happen? They just wanted to come off.
Also, it's just like a quick note. I will say that so having like recently spent time over in Europe, the impact of great separated cycle tracks versus like just having a buffer is immense. I cannot stress that enough.
I mean, I feel like it also prevents not just like it like makes people so they can't even drive it.
Yes. I just wanted to add that.
Thank you so much for being here, for being so engaged and so excited about this work. It's time to wrap up and move on to the next session. Oh, really? 15 minutes before the next round.
Scooch in.
So I want to say thank you to
Scooch in.
Radcliffe and Tyler. This is excellent. Next door, the session will be they switched them. So this is going to be city government.
So this is going to be city government for the next session, and the next door is going to be tactical urbanism and placemaking. So, and then downstairs will be from ideas to asphalt, how to influence and stop the project. So, if you have an idea here and you want to show people, you can bring it out.
There you go.
And those start at 11:30.